Women folk in Imphal area blocked roads in different parts of the city to prevent people from taking part in the election rally to be addressed by the Union Home Minister today at Hapta Kangjebung. The blockade was effective particularly in Kurai Lamlong and New Chekon in Imphal East district. The protesters not only stopped vehicles carrying people who have come to attend the election rally but also removed BJP flags from vehicles bearing the party's flags. In New Chekon area, protesters piled up burning tires to discourage commuters from heading towards the meeting venue. However, private vehicles were allowed free passes. A woman protester at Kurai Lamlong said they are not against the visit of Union Home Minister Amit or the elections. The fact that the plight of the strife-torn state people is undermined on the pretext of election pains us, she said. People of Manipur will have extended grand welcome to the Union Home Minister if his visit was to resolve the persisting crisis nearly almost a year, the protester added.
Lambi si prating banate, koi maintain the fishing sina, take na moiti, me listening a moro mamanga, Hagakrabani, according to the plan, Ziloidi, make up miracle, my Anthony Libani, Likan the Kayamua, and Captain Capiva, Wadi, Vasida Moina, Matu, Kandakoi, around the women, the hope was at Libador. I don't know I will eat at the Libador, I wish to come with the pain they have. My day, Mamma Chile. I'm seated. More than a people or Mamma, quite loyal to talk and have a more than what in my acid laughs at with pain there. Carry the Harari, no, we may have a Indian man, there with someone and then I got the and then Lancelot.